is I want to go over the note options for slide 6 on your digital notebook for Tuesday, August 11th. So when you're going through number 2, the line on the lesson for August 11th today, it's going to get you to a part where you start to take notes. And this is your 3 options. And the easiest option is direct, which means you're typing the notes on your slide here. And then down here, you could use the highlight feature to highlight the letters, or you could just erase all this and type God, gold, or glory. Or you could also, if the answer was gold, which I'm not going to tell you if it is or isn't, you can hit bold. Okay, so you know which one it fits with. But they each are attributed to colonizing and exploring for one of these reasons. Each country is. So your direct type will be just to read the readings in this line and type your notes here. So you would, right here is Spanish. So you're reading about the Spanish, and I've even highlighted some notes you might want to type. And you would say, okay, well, this is about Spain, and this is why they explored. And so I'm going to go in here and type those notes as I read. Okay, and then for France, you would do the same thing. You would, after you decide you're going to answer this question, what you're going to answer, you're going to move on and you're going to write about the French here or type about them here. Now, if you are going to do option 2 for notes, which is going to be written. So your written option is going to be to write your notes out. You're going to copy this graphic organizer onto a sheet of paper and fill in the Spain notes, the France notes, and the Britain notes. And then you would go into your slide 6 and you would click delete this box because you already have the box. Delete. I'm going to right click and it's going to say delete. You can just delete this. Just delete it, and so until I have a blank page. And then I would get my written graphic organizer of notes and upload it. Now, these are not the notes you will take, but we're going to pretend it's a picture of a graphic organizer with notes. And I'm going to paste my notes onto this page here. And I'm done. Okay, if that's written, and you would your graphic organizer your written would be looking like this. You would have 3 columns and you would have notes in it. Okay, so I'm going to delete this, and you're not going to do this particular portion here. I'm just going to go back to make it look like the way that it was. Okay, the third and final option is if you don't want to work on the slide, you can go to Google Docs. And you're going to make a copy. And then you would type your notes in here. And you would highlight God, gold, or glory for each one. And then you would go to share with me, and then you want to copy the link, and you would go back to your slide here, and you would delete this again. I'm just hitting delete, or I'm backspacing the text here. And again, how to copy the link of this. Once you've typed this up, you would share it with Miss Lafon here, copy link, and then you would paste your link into page or slide 6, which is right here. You may want to make it a little bigger. So those are your 3 options for note-taking in this unit. Direct, written, and then pasting the link here. One final thing that you can do is if you've pasted a link to your notes, you could also take a picture. So you could screenshot this, or you could take a picture with your phone, and you could go into slide 6, and you could insert image and upload your screenshot of your Google Docs note. So those are 3 options that you have for this page here. Now I'm going to change it back to the way that it was. So that it looks this similar. So again, you could type your notes directly. You can write them and delete this and paste a picture of them in there, or you can paste a link of this Google Docs copy into that slide. Either way, you should have a graphic organizer with notes in slide 6 of your digital notebook. The last option I want to talk about for slide 6 is you're going to hit a point in the line of this lesson that says optional notes, and it's on a short answer piece. So this is a graphic organizer, and these are technology pieces that helped Europeans explore and colonize America. So it says optional notes, digital copy, digital notebook, slide 6. You can copy and paste this graphic organizer into the left side margin of slide 6. So I could go here, and on your end, it would look like this. So you would right click it, copy image, and you could go into your slide 6 and paste it over here. So when you paste it, it's going to go on the middle of the page, drag it here. This is an additional notes piece. This is optional. This is not, you have to do this, okay? This is only optional. So that'll conclude the notes piece of how you take notes and the options of which you would take notes on slide 6. Remember, the information that you're getting from your notes in slide 6, as you go through this, it's going to have the Spanish reading, it's going to have the French reading, and then the British reading. And you're going to answer some questions.